Are you struggling to keep up with your studies while juggling extracurricular activities? Welcome to our YouTube channel Surbana HD Movies. With the right AI tools, managing your time becomes much easier. Imagine setting up a streamlined schedule that integrates your classes, assignments, and free time, all guided by intelligent software. Imagine this. Your schedule is neatly organized, showing not just deadlines but also optimal study sessions based on your learning habits. With AI, you are personalized reminders about upcoming tasks and suggestions on when to study based on your peak concentration times. For busy students, tools like Trello and Todoist can also be invaluable. They help break down large projects into manageable tasks, allowing you to visualize your progress. As you check off completed items, you'll feel a sense of accomplishment that keeps you motivated throughout the semester. Emphasizing accountability, these tools also enable group project collaboration, ensuring every member can track their responsibilities and contributions effectively. Trello, for instance, lets you create boards for different subjects or projects, where you can drag and drop tasks as you complete them. This visual format helps maintain focus and provides clarity on what needs attention next. Meanwhile, Todoist integrates seamlessly with various platforms, allowing you to set due dates, priorities, and even recurring tasks, making it a robust tool for students with ongoing commitments. By using these apps alongside other AI tools, you can enhance your ability to manage time effectively, ultimately leading to better academic performance and reduced stress levels throughout the academic year. Imagine having access to a research assistant that works around the clock, helping you gather insights for your projects. Tools like ChatGPT can assist in generating ideas, answering your questions, and providing instant feedback on your drafts. This means you can brainstorm and refine your thoughts in real time, saving you countless hours of research and writing. The integration of conversational AI into your study routine will empower you to explore complex topics and explain difficult concepts more easily. With such resources at your disposal, academic challenges will become less daunting, and you'll cultivate a deeper understanding of your subjects while boosting your confidence in your abilities. As you dive deeper into these tools, consider how they can also enhance collaborative learning experiences. With features that support teamwork, many of these applications enable you to share resources, brainstorm ideas together, and provide feedback on each other's work seamlessly. Picture working on group assignments over a virtual whiteboard in Miro while tracking everyone's contributions in Notion, ensuring that each member feels included and valued in the learning process. The right combination of tools not only improves individual study habits but also fosters a sense of community among classmates, making education a shared journey that's richer and more enjoyable. Additionally, exploring tools like Slack can improve communication with your peers and instructors. By creating dedicated channels for different subjects or group projects, you foster an environment where collaboration thrives. Share resources, ask questions, and discuss ideas in real time, ensuring no one misses out on essential information. This connectivity ultimately enhances teamwork and boosts the learning experience for everyone involved. In conclusion, embracing these AI tools is crucial for students aiming to optimize their learning experience in 2025. By integrating technology into your studies, you can not only stay organized but also enhance creativity, collaboration, and academic success. Start exploring these resources to transform your education journey today.